Hi guys, this is Josh here, and today I'm going to show you on how to connect your W34 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go! Okay guys, welcome back again to my channel. So if you have not subscribed so just kindly click the subscribe button. So today we're going to connect our W34 smartwatch to your smartphone. Okay, so of course we need to have your cell phone here, and just kindly go to Play Store and click on the Fundo, Fundo, and okay, it's searching for this application Fundo, and then just click on install. Okay guys, so now it's installing. Okay, so now it's finished downloading, so let's open it. Okay, and so you can see there it's empty. So just click on I agree, and okay, just click on allow access, I think, and location permission, and also we have here, so find the Fundo here, and okay, enable notification and allow, and let's go back. Alright, so this is now the menu, yes, for the home for our Fundo application. So let's just try, and then let's click on here, me, and you can see there it's not set yet. On the more menu, just click on it and click add device, and then it said here please switch on your Bluetooth. So let's switch it on. Okay, and allow Fundo to take pictures and record videos, SMS, just also, and now it said here connect. Alright guys, so now we can see the watch here, so let's just try to click it. And I think it said here connected. Alright, so I think we already have synced or connected our smartwatch to the smartphone. So let's try to use the me. Okay, so maybe we can try to test if it's really working. So let's say find device. Okay, so phone is missing, and it made here some sound. Okay, so I think we're already done. Again, click on the Fundo on your app store and have it downloaded, and have it synced as well. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, just kindly click and subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest gadget, especially smartwatch. Okay, so this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon on my next video.